if you would see this picture from any guy and just reviewing it, um, I think the numbers doesn't have the old used look like the rest of the image, right? They're too clean white.
Yeah, yeah. So the things that I've done wrong, obviously here, because again, this is a weekend challenge, so you have 3 days.
Yeah, yeah.
Is I have tiling textures that you can clearly see that they're
Yeah.
tiling. This
Yeah.
looks like crap. Same here, tiling texture.
Book is okay, but the wood is the most destructive.
Yeah, the wood is definitely, technically the worst one. There's not enough geometry here. If I zoom in more, it's too clean cut, in my opinion. There should have been another bevel on this. And then I could have given it a more worn look on the numbers. Even though I am generally very happy with this, when I did this in for the challenge, I thought this was really good and one of my best ones in 2009.
Yeah.
But you can't win them all. I can't even remember what won. I think it was an MP3 player shaped like the Blender logo, like just looking like an MP3 player. For all the kids listening today, back in the day we had devices that played just MP3s and it wasn't a cell phone.